What's up, guys? Welcome back. So last video showed you my new toolbox. I'm very happy with it, super excited to get it in, and now I'm getting ready to put it together. Now, on the last video I had a lot of comments and guys were saying it won't work. There's no holes for the wheels. So we found the right wheels. They are correct. There is holes down there, so I'm going to show you real quick how I add the wheels onto it. Then you can have a single bank Epiq like me. Stick around. All right, so we got our wheels out, we got a light, we got the floor jack here. So I'm just gonna jack up one side at a time, and I'll bring the camera down with me while I'm doing this underneath so you can see. And make sure your wheels are locked into place before you start raising this thing up, so it doesn't go rolling out from underneath you. Okay, so we are getting ready to change the wheels out, and you can see there's a bolt here, one there, one right there, and one right here. They are 5/16 by 16 thread, inch and a quarter long, and they have a standard 1/2 inch head that actually has, I will show you one here because I got one handy. So they actually have a little washer head on them, so we have our box supported and jacked up just a little bit. So I'm going to crack these loose. Okay, now let's take two, three, and four. And here's the dummy caster. Now, it's a nice heavy-duty steel base, but the wheel is just all plastic. I would not trust this thing with any weight on it for any length of time. So we'll pop him out of the way. We got our 4 bolts. Move our ratchet, and let's bring a wheel over. Now, with the wheel is a full swivel. It's the 7-inch ISO ride in black to match my other one. It does have the locker on it, and this little pin here will lock it to where it won't swivel. So once you park it, they say you should park it with your wheels in line with the box, not front to back, but side to side. So we've got it all locked in place. The pin's going to go to the inside. So we're just going to spin him around, lift him up. Line up the first bolt. Then we'll come up here to this opposite corner. that bolt. And we'll go ahead and thread the other two in, get them started. Just like so. Now, I did go ahead and take the extension off this, and we're just going to use the regular ratchet for this now. All right, there it is. The wheels do mount up. There's holes there. These are the proper wheels. They can go on either side. You don't order the end cabinet like you order a locker. It's not ship side specific. So all you gotta do, swap the wheels around. So, hope that helped you guys out. We'll catch you in the next one.